Hello everyone, are you still worried about metal rust removal, paint removal, wood paint removal, and other questions? Are you still looking for a more efficient, simpler, and more environmentally friendly cleaning method? Today I will introduce you to a cleaning metal tool that will help you complete the cleaning work easily. 500 watt 5 million joules pulse laser cleaning machine. How powerful is the 500 watt pulse laser cleaning machine? This cleaning machine can quickly clean rust and paint with just a little sweep, and the whole process is efficient and simple. It does not require any chemical reagent and can complete the cleaning work in an environmentally friendly and effective manner. This cabinet, Seagull 3 generation, is our latest design. We have made some optimization in details. Let's see. The first one, built-in spring shock absorption, reducing vibration and impact to extend the service life of the machine. And the second, the touch screen is installed with Acrylic protection to protect the control screen and dust, which can extend the service life of the machine. And the third, double wheels, small radius, can turn left and right more flexibly, especially on narrow roads, making it easier to move the machine. Fourth, the cabinet ventilation and heat dissipation standards are consistent with the installation of the laser heat dissipation hose, which makes it easier for the machine to dissipate the heat while it's working. And fifth, the handle of the machine can be carried in two ways, push and pull and lift. About the voltage of the machine, 110 to 220 volts universal. Power supply 50-60 Hz universal. The 500 watt air-cooled pulse laser cleaning machine has a frame structure with a stable overall structure that can effectively withstand external loads and vibration, ensuring the protection and the stability of the machine. Next, let me introduce application of 500 watt 5 million joules pulse laser cleaning machine, metal rust removal. When facing metal work pieces covered with rust, the laser cleaning machine can quickly remove the rust on the surface, restore the original luster of the metal, and the treated surface is smooth and flat. Metal paint removal. For paint coating on metal surface, pulse laser cleaning machine can ensure that the metal substrate is not damaged while removing the paint. Wood paint removal. When it comes to wood paint removal, the machine can effectively remove the paint layer while protecting the wood's grain and texture to the greatest extent possible. Don't hesitate, please contact us now to purchase a machine. Let's witness the magical cleaning effect of the 500 watt 5 million joules pulse laser cleaning machine and open a new era of efficient and environmentally friendly surface treatment.